Recipe to keep vegetables fresh for a long time. Keeping vegetables fresh for an extended period of time involves proper storage techniques. Here's a general guideline to help you maximize the freshness of your vegetables. Ingredients: fresh vegetables, plastic bags or airtight containers. Paper towels, vegetable wash, optional, vegetable crisper drawer, refrigerator. Instructions: 1. Choose fresh vegetables. Start with fresh, high-quality vegetables. Select vegetables that are free from blemishes, bruises, or signs of decay. 2. Clean and dry. If your vegetables are dirty, gently rinse them under cold water. You can use a vegetable wash solution, but be sure to rinse thoroughly. Dry them completely with paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. Moisture can promote mold and bacterial growth, so ensure your vegetables are dry before storage. 3. Separate and group. Different vegetables have different storage requirements, so it's important to group them accordingly. Here are some common categories. A. Leafy greens, for example, lettuce, spinach, kale. Place them in a plastic bag or an airtight container. Add a paper towel to absorb excess moisture and replace it if it gets damp. B. Root vegetables, for example, carrots, potatoes, onions. Store in a cool, dark, and dry place like a root cellar or a dark pantry. Keep them in mesh or breathable bags to allow airflow. C. Cruciferous vegetables, for example, broccoli, cauliflower. Store in an open plastic bag in the refrigerator, crisper drawer. D. Tomatoes. Keep them at room temperature until they ripen, then transfer them to the refrigerator to prolong their shelf life. 4. Use airtight containers. For vegetables that are prone to moisture loss, for example, bell peppers, cucumbers, store them in airtight containers with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture. This prevents wilting and extends freshness. 5. Keep ethylene producers separate. Some fruits, for example apples, bananas, produce ethylene gas, which can accelerate the ripening and spoilage of nearby vegetables. Store ethylene-producing fruits away from vegetables to prevent this. 6. Monitor regularly. Check your vegetables regularly for any signs of spoilage, such as mold or wilting. Remove any affected items to prevent them from affecting others. 7. Adjust humidity settings. If your refrigerator has humidity control settings in the crisper drawer, use them to adjust the humidity level. Leafy greens prefer higher humidity, while most other vegetables prefer lower humidity. 8. Freezing. If you have excess vegetables that you can't use within a reasonable time frame, consider blanching and freezing them. Blanching helps retain the color, flavor, and nutrients of vegetables. Store them in airtight freezer bags or containers. By following these steps, you can help keep your vegetables fresh for a longer period, reducing food waste and ensuring you have delicious, nutritious produce for your meals.